City of Rockford's only Westside hospital loses more services.
One of those changes means no more emergency care at Mercyhealth, Rockton Avenue. Trauma patients will now be transferred to the Riverside Campus. It's part of a consolidation of services. Mercyhealth President and CEO Javon Bay revealed the changes this afternoon. Bay says the moves are needed because fewer patients are using the Rockton Hospital. The hospital will continue offering outpatient and clinical services, while Mercy Riverside will expand inpatient treatments. We're covering this story from several angles. In just a minute, we'll hear from those who live near the Rockton Avenue Hospital and see how the changes are affecting the community.
But we start with those who represent the community. Rockford City Council members did not hold back after hearing about the changes. Alexis Carpello spoke with several of them who say Mercyhealth is breaking more promises.
I honestly believe that he knew he was going to do this 5 years ago.
Some Rockford City aldermen aren't happy with Mercyhealth's decision to shut down Rockton Avenue's trauma emergency services located on the west side.
I just find it not only disingenuous, but almost cruel that Mr. Bay used the COVID-19 crisis as the footing for removing services from a community of color that has the highest trauma rate in the city.
These are not the first cuts made by Mercyhealth. Earlier this year, a pediatric intensive care unit, inpatient acute mental illness services, and some urgent care facilities were closed. Some Medicaid patients were also dropped.
I don't like what he's done to the healthcare system that we had in Rockford. We had 2 level 1 trauma centers for a reason. They're not money makers. They're there to provide a service. They're there to take care of emergent care of the highest level.
Aldermen say they don't buy explanations behind the decisions.
Every time a major issue comes forward, the services are reduced at Rockton Campus, and it always gets blamed on that supposed issue. But I think it's fair to say that the public deserves an answer on what the long-term plan is for Javon Bay Mercy Campus at Rockton.
He lied to the community about his investment and his dedication and his concern and his well-being, that he's going to maintain himself on the north side of Rockford.
There are just a lot of things that just border on the cruel. And I think they send a message that communities of color don't matter.
Reporting in Rockford for your home team, I'm Alexis Carpello.
We've also heard from Rockford Mayor Tom McNamara. In a statement, he says in part, quote, "I'm disappointed by the recent actions of the Mercyhealth administration. I understand that many businesses are struggling during this pandemic, and healthcare is no exception. However, Mercyhealth continues to balance its budget by cutting services that disproportionately impact people in our community that need help the most."